Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics for boards. First, thoroughly review your exam syllabus to identify key topics and their importance. Next, collect all necessary study resources, such as your main textbook, reference books, and previous year's question papers. Finally, develop a structured study plan, allocating specific hours each day for different subjects and topics. This foundational work is crucial for effective preparation. Now, let's dive into mastering the core concepts. Concentrate on building a strong understanding of both microeconomics and macroeconomics fundamentals. Pay special attention to numerical problems, practicing calculations and interpreting graphs, which often carry significant marks. Make sure to regularly revisit key definitions, laws, and economic theories to ensure they are crystal clear in your mind. This deep understanding will serve as your bedrock. Effective practice and revision are your next steps. Consistently solve a wide range of practice questions and full-length sample papers to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and question types. Pinpoint your weak areas from these practice sessions and allocate additional study time to strengthen them. Develop brief, clear notes and flashcards for essential formulas, definitions, and concepts, making quick revisions much more efficient. For the exam itself, strategic time management is key to ensure you can attempt every question. Present your answers clearly and concisely, incorporating relevant diagrams, graphs, and real-world examples to illustrate your points effectively. Remember to stay calm and focused throughout the examination. Also, staying hydrated is super important, so check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Good luck with your boards.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.